If you received an inauthentic complaints in the past on your Amazon FBA seller account, you know how frustrating it can actually be to try to remove it. So in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about the process, about what you should do if you actually get rejected, because you want to remove these as soon as possible because it actually hurts your account health rating, right? So I'm going to talk to you about my experience about how many times you actually need to submit and what you need to do if you get rejected, because I know that it's happening to a lot of you guys and you should actually absolutely take care of that as fast as possible. Before we start, on December 8th, 2024, we are having a live masterclass in which I'm going to show you which strategy you should use for your Amazon FBA business if you want to scale in 2025. There's a link in the description to save your spot, and I would join because we are going to look at products that I actually bought in the past. I'm going to show you how I actually found them, and I'm going to share with you my favorite suppliers. So if I were you, I would actually join. All right. So, inauthentic complaints. You'll notice that, and to be honest, I'm going to say this straight up. Inauthentic complaints are just like ungating when it comes to actually submitting your documents. You are going to get rejected a lot of times. Last year, I had one inauthentic complaints that took me more than 20 submissions to actually be removed. Today, I literally had another inauthentic complaints removed, but I had 3 at one point. One that was removed automatically. The one that I actually got removed today, I had to submit, I think, 4 or 5 times. But I have one that I submitted my documentation 20 times so far and that I haven't been able to remove just yet, right? But a lot of people actually get stressed. And the questions that I get a lot when it comes to inauthentic complaints is, what should I do if I submit my stuff and it gets rejected? Should I actually acknowledge the violation? You should absolutely never do that. Just keep submitting. It's just like ungating. Do not take no as an answer. Just keep submitting. It will eventually go through, right? And I'm going to tell you the truth. For these submissions that I'm doing right now, I'm not even switching anything. I'm not even adding stuff because like I added everything in the PDF documents where I actually send my order confirmation and all that stuff. I added everything that I can actually add to the submission, right? So sometimes it just takes longer than usual. Sometimes it needs more submission. You just need to keep submitting. That's literally it. That's the whole thing. That's all you actually take care of inauthentic complaints. Do not stop submitting. Keep submitting. Use all the documents that you can, put everything that you can, and we have on the Discord server, because yes, by the way, we have a Discord server and it's been a long time that I haven't really been pushing it, but there's a link in the description. Join the Discord server. We have like a whole documents to tell you what to actually submit for 100% free. So yeah, go on the Discord server, do this, submit all your documentation. All right, put everything, the order confirmation, the receipts, because yes, you can submit receipts, and like stop actually saying that they do not take receipts, that you need a letter of authorization, whatever. It's not true. Okay, receipt.